everyone, I'm Rochelle Flores from BTUTED 3L FSMA. So for today, I will be going to demonstrate on how to properly measure your ingredients. First, you need the tools. So I have here two different measuring cups. This is for the dry ingredients and this is for the liquid ingredients. And I have here ingredients. This is a flour, a brown sugar, white sugar, and oil. First, I am going to measure a flour. I will be using the 1 cup measuring cup. So first, scoop it. Then so to properly measure it, you have to spread it using the back of the knife. And here you have a measurement of the flour. Next, I will be going to measure the brown sugar. I will be using the 1/3 cup measuring cup. So first, scoop it. Properly measure it, press it to compress. And here you have a brown sugar. Next one, I will be going to measure the white sugar. So I will be using the 1/4 cup measuring cup. So just scoop it. There you have it. So now, I will be going to measure a liquid ingredients and I am using the liquid measuring cups. So how to measure accurately the liquid ingredients is first, place the liquid measuring cup on the top of the table so that it is not wobbly. Next is pour it. And there you have it. It's a 2/3 cup. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.